In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use gap indicator in Tradingview. We'll walk through finding the indicator, adding it to your chart, and dialing in the settings so the signals are clear and useful. Start by opening your chart in Tradingview. At the top, click the Indicators button in the search bar that appears. Type gaps. You'll see a few choices. The built-in option called Gaps and Wicks is a great starting point because it's simple and very visual. You can also look at community scripts if you prefer different styles. But the built-in one keeps things clean. Once you add it, the indicator automatically highlights price jumps, green for upward gaps and red for downward gaps. That quick color cue helps you scan the chart faster. For best results, switch your chart to the daily time frame. Gaps tend to be more meaningful there because they often reflect overnight or weekend. Repricing. If you see too many tiny gaps cluttering the view, look for a minimum deviation setting in the indicator inputs and raise it slightly. That filters out minor moves so the larger, more actionable gaps stand out. Keep in mind, different scripts label this a bit differently, but the goal is the same: reduce noise. Now let's customize. On your chart, find the indicator's label and click the small gear icon to open settings. In the Style tab, you can change the colors for bullish or up, gaps, and bearish or down. Gaps. If your version shows top wick and bottom wick options, adjust those colors as well to match your chart theme. Below the outputs, you'll see checkboxes for labels and values. Turn them on if you want visible tags on the chart, or off if you prefer a minimalist look. You can also change the precision so the numbers display with more or fewer decimal places, which is helpful if you are charting assets with tight pricing. Switch to the Inputs tab to tweak the length parameter. It's set to 50 by default. Increasing the length can smooth the behavior and focus on more established gaps, while lowering it makes the indicator more sensitive and may surface recent gaps sooner. If your script includes minimum deviation here, use it as mentioned earlier to filter small gaps that aren't important to your strategy. With those settings in place, you'll have a clean, readable map of where price jumped, which can help you contextualize areas that often act as magnets or potential support and resistance. Take a moment to scan, then zoom in or out as needed to match your trading horizon. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.